Madeline, tell me what's going on.
Is there's a spider in my old house and it killed
Let's see.
and kill my babies.
There's a spider?
And kill my babies out my house.
Killed your babies in your house? How big is it?
It's huge. Tall and tall and tall in my house.
What color is it?
Red.
A red spider?
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know if I want to go back there.
You have to go back there right now.
Why?
Because you have to help me.
Help you do what?
Get a spider out of my old house.
I thought you were scared of spiders.
Yeah, I do.
But you're gonna get it out of there?
No, you get out.
Oh, I gotta get it out of there?
Yeah.
What if I'm scared of spiders?
You're not scared of spiders. You're good at spiders.
I'm good at spiders?
Yeah.
I don't know. A big red spider? That sounds scary to me.
You have to kill them out of my old house, okay? Try to kill them.
Show me how big it is again.
It's huge and red and blue and green.
And what was it doing?
Kill my baby and crawl on my floor.
It crawled on your floor?
Yeah, in my old house.
Oh gosh.
Come on.
Okay, let's go get that spider.